Let's move on. We've got the MC1911 Carry 4.5-inch barrel. When it comes to the expansion and weight retention of hollow point projectiles, what kind of difference does barrel length make? Well, today we're going to put a 6-inch 1911 up against a 4.5-inch 1911 and find out. So let's go. What's up, crew? It's Chris from CloverTac. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be using a couple of 1911 handguns from Girsan and going to be using some fairly common budget-minded PMC bronze 170 grain hollow point ammunition from my good friends at TruSpec Gun Club. So let's get down range. Let's set up the apparatus. Let's fire a couple of rounds. Let's recover the projectiles and see what we can figure out. So there's no doubt I'm going to get wet today, but safety first. Got my eyes on. Let me get my ears in and we'll get started. All right, 5 yards back from the apparatus. Going to start out with the 6-inch MC1911 Hunter. One round. Hopefully I get a good shot on those jugs. We can recover this projectile and take a look at it. Here we go. All right, that projectile is recovered. So let's move on. We've got the MC1911 Carry 4.5-inch barrel. I do have the apparatus reloaded with jugs. So here we go. Successful recovery with those projectiles, so let's go take a look. So here we are with the recovered projectiles. On the right with the shredded jacket here is going to be the MC1911 Hunter in 6-inch. On the left, the MC1911 Carry in the 4.5-inch. Now, I'm not going to be able to really add the jacket into the expansion measurement, so we'll just go with the lead course. But first, let's do weight retention. So get all the pieces from this one onto the scale, keeping in mind, of course, that 170 grains is the original weight. So even with the shredded jacket, I'm pretty sure I didn't recover all the pieces. We're 166 grains on this. So I would consider that pretty good as far as weight retention with that 6-inch barrel. And then if we go with the one from the 4-inch barrel, 4.5-inch barrel rather, 169 grains. So virtually no difference. Now, did that little bit of added velocity because of the 1.5-inch difference in barrel make for that jacket coming apart? Yeah, that I don't know. A discussion maybe for a different time. Now let's do some measurements and check this out. So 10 millimeter is 0.400, 40 caliber, could be 0.401, somewhere in that range. So let's start with the 6-inch barrel here, and we're going to go widest point. You want to get widest point when you get expansion. And so we're talking about 0.620 or so. Looks like that's about where it's going to end up. 0.67, 0.67. So 670 from, let's just say, 400 or 401. Now on the 4.5-inch barrel here with the Carry version, we've got, you can get it in here, that's 6.065, 670. So I did get a 670 there in one spot. So 0.670. So as far as weight retention, really close. I would say probably negligible on weight retention, as well as the as the expansion there. However, there may be something to be said about all these pieces coming apart. Flying shrapnel could definitely make a difference when it comes to the overall effect of damage, of course, of that particular projectile. Now, I thought those results were a little bit interesting. I'm curious to hear your thoughts, so drop those down in a comment below. If you want to check out more videos with firearms from Girsan, well, I got you some stuff right here. As for this one, we're done, so thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.